Hi, welcome to Aguirre's Kitchen. My name is Marta or Martita, and before I start with the video, I want to invite you guys to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today I bring you a recipe for a pineapple marmalade, a very delicious and easy recipe to make. I hope you like it and you enjoy the video. Let's go with the video. This is what we're going to need for this recipe. 2 cups of pineapple, crushed pineapple, half a cup of sugar. Let me explain here about the sugar. If the pineapple is not sweet, you put half a cup of sugar. If the pineapple is sweet, just put like 2 tablespoons of sugar and that's it. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and this is to thicken the marmalade. Here what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the pineapple onto this saucepan. This saucepan, I have it on top of a little stove or a grill, whatever you want to call it. And all we're going to do is add the sugar, the cornstarch, and obviously the pineapple. Again, if your pineapple is not sweet, which mine was not sweet, I added half a cup of sugar. But if yours is sweet, just add 2 tablespoons, or you can leave it like that and just add the cornstarch. Once we add the sugar, we're going to add the cornstarch. And let me tell you one thing right now. Please do not leave your marmalade by itself. You have to keep stirring or this will burn. Okay, you have to keep it in mid to lower temperature. Nothing higher than mid temperature, because it will burn on you. You might see that it's not actually getting hot or bubbly right away, but you have to wait, believe me. Just keep stirring and do not leave it alone. Just keep stirring and you'll see by yourself it'll start thickening. This whole process was for almost like 35 minutes. So yes, you have to be there standing for quite a while, but let me tell you that the results of this marmalade is delicious. Okay, so you just keep stirring and I'm gonna let you keep watching this video and then I'll be back. What you're about to see here, it's gelatin, the clear gelatin, but you do not add it here. I showed it here because I myself made a mousse with it. You do not add it to this marmalade, okay? This is something else, so let's keep watching. See right here, it looks like it's doing nothing, like it's not hot or anything, but it just starts like right away, okay? Without you even noticing, it'll start bubbling and getting really hot. So that's the reason I'm letting you know not to leave your pot or your marmalade alone, okay? You keep stirring. This video is more of visual, so you can see the changes of the pineapple, how it went from kind of like really light to a little bit darker. See, now it's starting to bubble. Like I said, it just starts in no time and you will not have a chance. If it starts burning, you're done. You're gonna have to throw that away. Okay, so let's keep watching. And once again, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, and I would love it if you shared this video, and hopefully you stay in Aguirre's Kitchen's family. Thank you again for being here, for watching this video and clicking on it when you saw it. Thank you so much. Let's keep watching. Can you see the difference between the color of when we started cooking the pineapple to now? Now it's thicker and more brighter, which means that it's almost ready. This filling, you can use it for fillings for cakes. You can also use it with bread, for toppings, for like a banana split, for anything that you would like. This marmalade, it's just like the one that you buy at the store, but here you know exactly what you put on it. This is a delicious pineapple marmalade that I use for my cake fillings. I also use this marmalade to make like pineapple mousse. I also have a recipe of a strawberry, not marmalade, but it's a strawberry mousse that I made. So I hope you go to that link. I have it on my channel. But yes, the recipe for the pineapple mousse is coming later in another video, but it's a little bit different because I'm adding clear gelatin. Okay, so look at the difference of the colors, how it's getting darker and thicker. And remember, it should be this consistency. After you let it cool down, it's gonna go into the refrigerator, and then you have your marmalade. So here is the marmalade ready. Look how beautiful. Look at the color, the consistency. From here, you're gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it cool down before you use it on anything. And remember that this is a consistency that it has to be, because it's gonna get thicker. Okay, so here we go. We have our pineapple marmalade. If you are liking what you see in this channel, on my channel, your channel, please subscribe, activate the notification bell so you can get the videos that come up whenever I upload them. And thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for watching this video. And here I leave you guys. Thank you very much. Your friend Marta or Martita. Hugs and kisses. Bye bye. Let's keep watching.